Noonday's vision is to build a flourishing world where women are empowered, and this is just one story of women for whom that is a reality. The pieces in our storyline collection are assembled by women who have found freedom after sexual exploitation. Noonday's business partner in East Asia does outreach directly to brothels to build relationships with women and invite them into a new chapter of their story. At this partner, the women find not just a new job, but a new future, because there's also housing, healthcare, education, and of course, counseling and rehabilitation services. One such woman is Mei Lee, who said this: "Before coming here, I did not have trustworthy or authentic relationships. I did not trust people easily. Since joining this team, I have learned that people can be authentic and they can truly care for me. I have developed trusting and committed friendships." Mei Lee and her colleagues create beautiful gold and silver-plated pieces that are perfect for everyday wear, but equally at home with a little black dress for a night out on the town. These refined accessories often also carry a special meaning for the wearer, such as our Courage Collection, which lets you carry a piece of your own story of courage with every charm. Do you want to remember to live with more gratitude or hope? To allow space to rest, renew, and refine? To remember your grit or to honor the dreamer spirit that lives within you? As you wear the Courage Collection or any piece from our Storyline collection, know that courage is abundant among the women who create these pieces, and that as you wear their story, you can share your own. One nice touch is that these pieces come in their own special packaging, where the person receiving this, so it makes a great gift, can see the name of the woman who assembled the piece for them. It's sort of a hello across the globe, and a reminder that you become a part of her story, and she becomes a part of yours as you wear and treasure the work of her hands.